Warren Buffett will happily pay billions for one invisible thing most investors cannot even see. He calls it the moat, and finding it is how you pick businesses that win for decades. A moat is a durable advantage that keeps competitors from stealing a company's profits. Without a moat, high profits attract competitors who copy you and crush your margins. With a moat, a company keeps earning fat profits year after year, and that is what Buffett buys. There are four main types of moat, and once you see them, you cannot unsee them. The first is a brand moat, a name so trusted people pay more for the exact same thing. In 1972, Buffett bought See's candies for $25 million because customers would pay almost any price for that box. See's raised prices every year for 50 years, and people bought it anyway. That is a brand moat. The second is a switching cost moat. It is too painful for customers to leave. Think of the software 1,000 employees run on daily. Ripping it out would cost millions and months. The third is a network moat. The product gets better as more people use it. Each new user makes it more valuable, the way 2 billion users locked in the biggest networks. The fourth is a cost moat. The company can make things cheaper than anyone else. As the lowest cost producer, Buffett's Geico undercut rivals for decades and won the price war. So to spot a moat, ask one question: why can't a competitor just copy this and win? If the honest answer is they easily could, there is no moat, no matter how good the story. The simplest moat test is pricing power. Can this company raise prices without losing customers? If yes, it almost certainly has a moat worth paying for. Buffett would rather own a wonderful business with a moat at a fair price than a cheap business with none. Because a moat lets your money compound safely at 10% for 20 or 30 years. So before you buy, find the moat, name which of the four it is, and test the pricing power. Do that and you stop chasing hot stocks and start owning fortresses. The moat is invisible to the crowd, but now you know exactly where to look.